First, we do this multiplication. 1/4 times 8 equals 8/4. And 8/4 is just 2. No, we have to divide it by this. So 2 divided by 2, which equals just 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So here we have to work from left to right. So here we have to do this division first, then this multiplication. Okay, so first 2 divided by 1/4. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we have 2 times 4, and again here we have times 8. Okay, no, 2 times 4 gives us 8, and 8 times 8 is just 64. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 64.